loading is mataas, 93. So okay na yan, yung mga normal efficiency na yan. So IEC class, efficient motors yan. Okay, so these are the things you have to look onto, and careful in taking the data and using it. Kasi standards, magkakaiba sila ng mga data na nilalagay dyan. So, di ba, horsepower yan. Ang gagawin mo? Di minsan, mamaya walang current. Pero normally, sa standards, minimension na yung current. Okay? Okay, bibili ng motor na walang current, wala sa standard yun. So, these are the typical what is mentioned in the standard na ito, ilagay mo sa nameplate mo, ito, hertz, ammeter, kilowatt, power factor, efficiency, yan ay ikon na yan. Kaya sumusunod yung mga manufacturer na ilagay ang information because these are very important informations na kailangan sa facilities, lalo na sa maintenance. Okay? So, meron pang isa, again, ano to? So, IE3 na naman, di ba? Dito siya, IEC, motor, rated motors. So, as you can see here, andyan yung mga ratings, yung frequency, application, ilang kilowatt, again, kilowatt, yung RPM, yung current niya, yan yung power factor. So, may napakalaking motor siguro ito, ang laki. So, minsan, malalaking motor, hindi basta-basta makakuha ng higher, makita mo 0.87, pero okay pa rin yan, 0.87, but if you want to improve more, then lagyan na ng power, what we call this, power factor correction, so kailangan din yun. Kasi kung tumakbo yan na walang load, half, 50% lang, edi ang baba naman nito, di ba? So you have really to put, kung itong kalalaking motor, power factor correction. Okay? Very important to highlight is the voltage. This is the nameplate rating. Ibig sabihin, yung 460 na ito, halimbawa 440 or 460, this is the terminal voltage na kailangan i-apply mo. Again, if this will be high or it will be, most of the time is very low, it's lower. Mamaya pagdating dyan, 440 na lang. Why? Because yung sa transformer, ang kinuha din na ito yung mistake ng iba, whenever they design the transformer, ang nilalagay din nila 460 yung designer, tapos 460 rin yung load niya. Okay lang yun pag malapit ka dun sa transformer, okay, wala ka voltage drop. Pero pag malayo, ano mangyayari? Marami na ako nakita ganyan sa mga industrial facilities, in any other water utility plant. Ay, sir, mababa, nag-trip all tayo mo. Ano yung transformer mo? Ay, nilagay 460. Ang rule of thumb, actually, is 480. Ayan, pwede mo lagyan ng 460 ang mga load mo kasi meron ka namang top change. So, again, the solution mong baguhin. So, you bring it back to the nameplate rating. So, this is very important, guys. What we are talking here is the efficiency of running the motor. We have to maintain napakahalaga yung voltage sa terminal. So, you have to really check this one in your facilities. Okay? Kung makamali, kung taas, wala na, mababa na. So, those things we have to consider in the design. Yung titignan nyo rin sa facilities nyo. Yung voltage ng transformer ko,